Hi guys, Listen Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 24. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at today's triggers. We have machine, iridescent, and the word umami, which is one of the 5 basic tastes alongside sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. It's often described as savory or meaty flavor, and it's commonly associated with foods that contain a high level of glutamate, such as soy sauce, tomatoes, and certain cheeses. I think I want to do something around the concept of machine. I had this idea for a poster, not a graphic idea, but the idea of doing something that had to do with maybe the concept of moving and thinking, moving the body and thinking with your mind, of course, as ways of improving the driver of your body. You know what I mean? I'm a person that really loves technology as a whole, but I feel like this idea from, I can't remember from who it was, but it's that at birth we are given like the most advanced tool known in all of human history, right? Our bodies, and no one really has the manual or the instruction manual on how to use it, right? So this concept of having the most incredible machine, right? And how do we update it? How do we improve and actually learn to use it, right? By thinking, by training, by moving the body, by getting to know yourself, right? In all these levels. So I don't know how I'm about to portray this, so let's just play around with it and see what we come up with, right? So let's hop into Photoshop and let's get it. Okay guys, I actually hate with where this is going. I don't like it at all, and I'm gonna just stop for a little bit and come back because it's been a really long day. I still haven't eaten and I just can't do this right now, but I'll do it in a bit. It's okay to step back from it and come back. It's hard, you know what I mean? So see you in a bit. Oh, okay, I'm back guys. I managed to rest. I'm not feeling so well, so let's just get this over with. I'm just gonna scratch this and I'm gonna start anew. I'm gonna make a far more simpler and bolder composition around the phrase feed the machine. So yeah, let's play around with that. Oh, actually, I got an idea. It just struck me. Like, feed the machine, and I pictured like a really gnarly and really like grotesque like mouth, like chewing away. And then I remembered I just went to a trip to New York City, and it's actually pretty crazy how that city can just chew you up and spit you right out. So I'm gonna do something like that. I think that's powerful, like, and everyone would be able to kind of relate and see what I'm trying to say. So let's do that. Guys, I can't believe it. I'm done. Don't let me lie, but I actually think this is one of the best pieces. As I started to compose it, I don't care really that it doesn't tell that it's New York. It doesn't matter about the concept of the city chewing you up as like a mechanism for capitalism or whatever it is. I think it's a more powerful image. I dropped the feed on the machine because I felt that it was too repetitive, like the feed the machine and also the mouth like chewing you away. It was too literal. But when you see the machine now with the big gaping mouth, right, and the city background, you really start to, oh, okay, what's he trying to say here, you know what I mean? So yeah, super quick to do. I scraped the one that I was doing before that it wasn't working really, and actually this piece I super love it. So okay, my guys, let this be a reminder to just push through, you know what I mean? I can't believe it. I feel super good right now. Amazing piece. I really like it. So you already know how it is. Wish you conflict. See you tomorrow, day 25. Let's get it.